It's only if Biafrans are stupid people. If Biafrans are not stupid people, and we are not stupid people, and we will never be stupid people, we have learned our lesson. 2019, we have learned our lesson. 2023, we have learned our lesson. I don't think that anybody who is real Biafra man agitated for Biafra will say because of P2B election, let us mellow down on Biafran agitation. Nobody can do it again. This is how Nnamdikanu, before he was kidnapped, cry in 2019 that there be no election. Sit at home. Everybody agree, Nnamdikanu agree. A week to the election, Nnamdikanu announced, so okay, you can go and vote. Not he announced that he want to denounce it or he's happy. The DOS went and deceived him. Holding meeting here and there. So they have used P2B and Atiku to assign agreement that they will dialogue with agitators and give Biafra referendum and do this, do that. With all this blah, 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 they speak. Nnamdikanu, because he trusts these people, DOS, because he feel that they are his eyes in Nigeria. He agreed to call off the election, call off the strike of the election. Not only that, they use it, not an elite, use it, Nigerian government use it to do what? To make sure that is Biafrans vote. After the voting, what will happen? Is it not the same Northern rig the election against Atiku and P2B? Do Atiku contest? The Atiku go to court? It's only PDP as a party go to court. Atiku never want to react. Atiku never want to join them in the protest. They're going to Dubai, coming back. Going to Dubai, coming back. When we go, he will rub a very nice cream. He will turn to white, like Miriam. That's all. P2B go under shave, take shave, cover himself as we are snail, take his shave, cover himself, crying like a tortoise. They did not do anything. Because what they want, let Biafrans vote. 2023, they come again, or be obedient. The same Fulani, the same North, big election in favor of Tinubu against P2B. Now we are telling me 2027, North will come. I know that P2B.
But do you not think they are being realistic this time around?
North are not realistic. Who fit North is Tinubu. Tinubu is the one that fit North. Look at what not to do to Awolowo. Not an accord breaker. Look at what not to do to Aburi Accord. Not accord breakers. You and them can never reach agreement. They fulfill it. Unless the one they do, they take to suppress you. This is why Tinubu fit them. Tinubu is a game player like them. You understand? P2B will come 2027, though. He will collect it, though. They will rig it against him. Even if at all they put him there, P2B have a swear oath that you carry Northern agenda, Fulani agenda, before it will be there. And they will teleguide him. They will monitor him. They will do him everything like a Freemason. Monitor Martin Luther King Jr. When he was a pastor of Presbyterian, Baptist Church, fighting for freedom of blacks. They will so Freemason monitor Martin Luther King Jr. So they will monitor P2B. He cannot do anything. P2B will be a rubber stamp. As a senior president now, Ekpa is a rubber stamp to Tinubu. So P2B will be rubber stamp to Fulani. Whatever they want you to do, when they do finish, P2B will come and stamp. They say, president is say, after his own time that destroyed Biafra.
Is that what you're saying? P2B will not do anything exceptional and he will not do anything more than what Tinubu is doing now. If you become president.
P2B cannot do up to Tinubu.
Why? Because he'll be answerable to the Northern now.
Yes. Okay. When he was the governor of Anambra State, is it not with watchful eye that they killed Mosob? Over 1,000 Mosob in Oji local government. They bought the flow in Oji River. What do P2B do? Did he do anything? Did he complain? That was the Obasanjo regime. Headmaster. Eh? What did P2B do? He did nothing. Not I have seen that even Tinubu cannot stop Biafra. They have seen it. The way Biafra is going, Tinubu cannot stop Biafra. He can only delay nnamdikanu, detain him in detention. But to stop Biafra cannot stop him. Because Biafra this time is not IPOB one family. It's IPOB autopilot. Biafra government in exile, autopilot. It's on Ekpa. And this Biafra government in exile of autopilot. So he cannot stop it. So they will like to say, P2B, P2B. But let me tell you, 2027, how many years now? 2.5 years now or so to enter 2027. But now we are at 2024, December 2024. December 2024 remain 3 months and some. Okay, from now to declaration of Biafra on December 24th, it's only 3 months. From today to this what? To declare Biafran restoration on 24th of this December, on 2nd of December this year. 2nd of December this year. It's only 3 months remain. Then can you wait, suspend declaration of Biafra until 2027 when P2B come and contest? No, Biafra will be declared. Someone Ekpa is there. God is using him. God will strengthen him spiritually and physically. He will declare Biafra. Then when he declare Biafra and Biafra stand, or we continue push me, I push you. Quack me, I quack you. What going on? I will know whether it's that time that P2B will come and campaign in Biafra land to vote for him as Nigerian president. I will know. Not just wasting their time. It will not work. They cannot stop Biafra. They cannot use Peter to lobby Biafra to stop. They cannot use Peter Obi as a tool to bring Biafra down, as they use Zeke as a tool to bring Biafra down in the first Biafra Republic. It cannot happen again. So both P2B, both to North, both to Fulani, both to Yoruba, thinking that they will use P2B to hold the Biafra. All of them are failure. They are wasting their time. It will never work. Biafra is moving ahead. Biafra is also succeeding. If Biafran flag did not rise up before 2027, there will be no election in Biafra land. Biafra will go. Let this December come and let us see what will be by grace of God.
You feel they cannot use him to to stop December 2 declaration date.
They have used him 2029.
2019.
I mean 2019. They will use him 2019. Use him 2023. You see, want us to fold our hand for them to use Peter again. 2027. I know that if they want to use Peter until the kingdom come, they will use Peter because Peter has no choice. Peter has no choice. What is they did not do to Zeke? To whom do we do it? Ironsi that they try it. How did he end up? Only 6 months. Where is the grave of Ironsi? Ironsi has no grave. Nobody see dead body. Nobody knows where they bury him. Fulani use Danjuma, kill him in a battle. And his dead body, nobody can give account of it. So P2B cannot do more than he cannot do more than Ironsi. But they will continue to use him. My destiny is to make Nigeria to be a productive nation, not a consuming nation. It's that day that I knew that P2B will never do anything in Nigeria. He will never win. It's a Nyamuni, it's an Igbo man. They really make him use and dump. As they use Rogers and dump Rogers. Use Rotimi Amechi and dump him. Now they're using Wike. After they use him finish, they will dump him. They use Adakaboro, finish, kill him. They use Rogers, Sarowiwa, kill him. When they use him finish, they rubbish you. If you are locked, you become a use and throw away rag. But if you are not locked, you end up in grave. They will use him finish and dump him.
So another one, Peter Obi should should go alongside should stay with Biafra and you know
P2B should concentrate, not only P2B, all of them that feel that they are wise from Biafra, following Nigeria, they should do what they call total repentance. Total repentance and make right about turn. They should not wait when they reach to the roundabout before they return. They should return wherever they are and come back to Biafra. Biafra is the only solution for them. If P2B want to be a president, let him work with Biafra, work with someone else. Then let him come and contest in Biafra land. That's the only place he can be a president. But for Nigeria, they cannot be a president in Nigeria. He only be a slave in Nigeria.
you see the support he's getting. You don't you feel like if he gets it, he will still work as a slave for the Northerners. That's what you feel. Even though he becomes the president, you feel like
I say even though Peter Obi become president in Nigeria, it's a rubber stamp, nothing more. Okay, I will show you an example. Look at Ebutu Kiwe. Come out the Ebutu Kiwe. During Babangida regime, after Babangida take broom, sweep Buhari Idiagbo off Northern Barrack, he become a president. He become a head of state. Later change it to military president. Ebutu Kiwe was his second. But Ebutu Kiwe refused to be a rubber stamp. As Augustus Icon will become a rubber stamp. Ebutu Kiwe refused. See how they disgrace him out of office. They disgrace Ebutu Kiwe immediately out of office. Since that very day, have you heard Ebutu Kiwe speaking again on near corridor of power? Do you see it? Because he's a Nyamri, he's an Igbo man. He's from Igbo. Where is Rogers now? They have dumped him. So P2B should look back. Both the so-called South-East, people that became them that the Nigeria government to use, where are they? What is their position? Who knows about them? So P2B should remove Nigerian jersey, remove Nigerian boots, remove Nigerian talks, and hand it over to them, and stop playing politics. You don't know how to play. P2B doesn't know how to play Nigerian politics. You think that is working up and down with Nigerian politics. All the whole campaign, all the whole way he could finish in Nigeria 2023. Who is in power? Is it not tinubu? That is Nigerian politics. Obi obedient all over Twitter, everywhere. You don't have shishi. Don't worry, we vote for you. After all the whole, they vote for him. Who is in power? Who is today Nigerian president? That's Nigerian politics, which P2B don't know how to play. Igbo man don't know how to play. That is why they remain slave in Nigeria. Return back where you know your own culture. Return back where you know your own ancestral. Return back where you know your own deity you are worshiping. Return back and use your own court. If you don't want to serve Jesus Christ, then you have a court. Play your own court than to enter other people's court and become slave to them. And the court you cannot control. The court you don't know how you begin and how want to know how to end. You join them, then become a slave. Come back to Biafra land. If court, come and join Biafran court. If you don't want to worship Jesus Christ, because we Biafrans, 95% of us are Christians, and those who are not Christians, they want to join court or join it. There's Biafran court there. Let them join it. Let them join it. The court that they can control. The court they know the beginning and know the end. Let them join it. If they split and back, collect people land and give to Nigerian army to Fulani helpsmen. Some people collect his filling station and give to fire to consume. Pinnacle oil, Pitamba, etc., etc. This is a lesson to Pitamba. This is eye opener to Pitamba that power belongs to the people. Power belongs to the people. How can you say your people elect you to represent them, and their watchful eye, the people that elect you to represent them, to speak good for them, they are be destroying. You are not saying anything. They've been destroying. Even you yourself, map out, shadow a program, sign it into law to collect the land of your people to strangers to give them. With people from their ancestral homeland. Now, this is not the first time attempt on Pitamba filling station. There was a time motor in that filling station were burned, destroyed. People rumored, Pitamba filling station have burned down. They left the filling station and burned the cars, motors around it to give him a signal warning that he should amend his way. He should know how to handle the citizens or indigents of Enugu State. He should not be an arrow of destruction to the people of Enugu State. He continued. Finally, the people that mean business, the people that want to teach him lesson, the people that want to tell him that he's ruling in Enugu State doesn't favor the indigenous of Enugu State. They are not happy with him. They carried out assignment of first warning. This is a very serious assignment of first warning. If he's a wise man, as he claimed that he's a wise man, this should teach him lesson. He should learn from this that the people he's fighting against, the people he's working against them, and the pretending that he's protecting them, the people are not happy with him. You understand? Insecurity. The governors of Southeast are the insecurity, including Peter Mba is part of the insecurity. This is why it's affecting. If you are good to the people you are governing, they will never be against you. Tomorrow night, Peter Mba will say, it's an IPOB. It's someone Ekpa. Take him on. Kill people send him to him. As if you see someone Ekpa face to face, as if he can talk. I'm telling you honestly, if Peter Mba did not amend his way, maybe, I'm not saying it will be, maybe more than this will still come onto him. You understand?
So you should put in more effort, as regards security in Enugu State. Is that what you're trying to say? More effort.
In short, if he's better for him, let him resign.
Why should he resign? Is he not doing well?
No. He's not doing well. The people are not happy with him. Ifeanyi Ugwowo was there. Since although Ifeanyi Ugwowo was a whipping governor, when Fulani herdsmen kill, he go to Abuja and cry to Buhari and come back. But the violence, the insecurity that Peter Mba created wasn't that time. Ifeanyi Ugwowo was governor of Enugu State. It was insecurity was worse now. Killing, grabbing of land, burning communities, clearing farmland is worse now in Peter Mba section. And remember, Peter Mba wasn't the one that won the election in 2023. Peter Mba wasn't the one. It was Labour Party won the election.
Enugu State.
Enugu State, Labour Party won the election. Overnight. Fulani government of Nigeria that was in power. Fulani INEC chairman, Mahmoud Yakubu.
But Peter Mba is PDP.
PDP. Imo State is not PDP. I mean, Abia State is not PDP.
Abia State, no, Labour Party.
Abia State was PDP, Labour Party won them. Enugu State was PDP, Labour Party took over. Like now, in Edo now, you see that the Labour will take over in Edo.
No, but the people want PDP.
Eh? The people want PDP. Listen, both the PDP, APC have failed the Nigerians. These two parties are nothing to reckon as a good party anymore in Nigeria. So they just are trying to look a new, fresh, better party that can lead them to their promised land, that can lead them out of wilderness, of hunger, of destruction, of anarchy, wilderness of killing, wilderness of kidnapping, wilderness of increasing fuel every morning.
illegally, unlawful.
Unlawful. Wilderness that there's no human rights. Wilderness that you wake up and be thinking of what you will be eating throughout the whole day. If you see water to drink, you thank God. So party doesn't mean now in Nigeria. What means that the party will perform well? You understand? Very soon, PDP will die naturally, as Apaga have died naturally. I know Apaga in the Imo State have died naturally. So very soon, PDP will die naturally. APC is just struggling. And as he's struggling, he's giving people a headache. People continue drinking aspirin, having stomach ulcer. So Peter Mba should do what? To resign. Look, I'm not saying I'm happy of what happened, but sometimes something push something to happening. And now, what he did, as I said, he be crying now. It's Simon Ekpa. It's Simon Ekpa. It's agitators. Their insecurity. When himself is in the main insecurity, he's the one creating the insecurity. They are punishing the people that he said that vote him in. Today, filling station. Tomorrow, who know what will be. And this is, if this one is part of lockdown of government access in Biafra land, I think it's part of it. I think it's part of it. Monday sit at home, Peter Mba will say no. Other people, they will go and be locking people's shop. That you don't open shop for them. Monday sit at home, Peter Mba ordered Nigerian security agent go and start closing people's shop that they did not open. Is it how democracy operates? You don't open the shop in them. You do not give them any allowance. No entitlement from they are giving to them. And they decided to sit at home to rest for 1 Monday. You should order to go and lock their shop down. That one is not good. In the process, I think 2 or 3 people dead. That you think that people will feel happy seeing you. Now, I still don't want people to sit at home on Mondays to relax. Now, people have made him, we make him to sit at home. He himself to sit at home. This is a very big lesson to all the who call themselves Southeast governor, Nigerian governors in Biafra, Nigerian politicians in Biafra. This is the beginning of their sorrow. This is the beginning of their sorrow. It shall come. They will see. Because it's too much for them. They're not what they claim they are in Biafra land. It's not what they are. They are the main oppressors, not the Fulani, not the government of Nigeria. But these governors in Imo State, these governors in the Southeast, Nigerian governors in Biafra land, Nigerian politicians in Biafra land, they are the major oppressors, oppressing Biafran people, on keeping nnamdikanu where he is, fighting against Simon Ekpa, who don't want to Biafra restoration. They are the major oppressors. And as they're oppressing, people will turn up to oppress them. Now people have turned up to start with Peter Mba to oppress him. Very important, it will be Uzodema.
Last week, in a minute. But as they've done this to Peter Mba now, do you not see them causing more havoc, to Peter Mba, and also just like you said just now, you don't see them doing it to other Southeast governors or politicians, if they don't stop or try to get the people that the perpetrators, people that committed this offense,
not the perpetrators. This is the anger of the people, not perpetrators. This is the anger of the people. The governors, politicians in Biafra land are the one causing havoc to the people. That's why people put resistance. This is the people's resistance against oppressors, not the havoc. People's resistance against oppressors, not the havoc. Not the havoc at all. People are putting resistance now to say oppressors. No. If you cannot get you on your security convoy, we can get something that will pay you. As a Peter Mba collect people land and give to Nigerian army to Fulani helpsmen. So people collect his filling station and give to fire to consume.